If you are looking for the Hedera Hashgraph bar worth assumption or finding the ability of the bar coin this long worth measure can be valuable for you, this Hedera Hashgraph cost guess relies upon our significant particular examination and past execution of the bar coin. Here we will endeavor to explore the capacity of Hedera coin and make an expense guess for the accompanying 10 years. Hedera bar is one of the most notable altcoins. Watching out, as data collected from the undertaking site, the bar token is a neighborhood identification of the Hedera Hashgraph dApps Climate. Hedera Hashgraph is one of the most innovative acceptable attempt-grade public associations for the decentralized economy. Hedera means to be a crucial member in the dApp section. The Hedera stage grants individual designers and new organizations to make decentralized applications dApps at all. Requesting way. Hedera Hashgraph has serious solid areas for it due to its original technique and state of the art development. As we found on the Hedera site, there are generally acclaimed affiliations including Google, IBM, Boeing and LG that own and manage the Hedera organic framework. With its strong neighborhood, the Hedera Hashgraph coin has an unbelievable future, accepting that you're needing to hold any dApps adventures based token in long stretch. The bar coin can add zero extra to your assets. Since its farewell, the Hedera Hashgraph has shown expansive improvement in the crypto market for sure, even in a negative run. dApps tokens don't fall that much as we saw with picture tokens and other altcoins. With its advancement and gathering by the tech Goliaths, the destiny of Hedera bar coin looks empowering. The bar coin can take off in impending years, accepting more monetary supporters and tech beasts attract to the assignment. Nevertheless, cryptos change their expenses reliably, and bar coin is something similar. The Hedera Hashgraph looks strong ordinarily in view of serious areas of strength for its and decentralized monetary patrons. Clearly, in starting seemingly forever of 2022, Hedera expenses can show up at a practically identical level to their past all-time high. If you're desiring to hold bar coin for the really long, it might be a useful hypothesis. In case the market goes bullish for Hedera, the expense could climb significantly higher than our Hedera Hashgraph cost assumption. Hedera bar worth figure 2022. All cryptos are showing a negative presentation in 2022. Without a doubt, even Bitcoin and Ethereum are low, as is Hedera Hashgraph, as indicated by our expense examination. Bar coin can show up at the most outrageous level of 0.75 around the completion of 2022. The common expense of the bar coin can be around 0.41 in 2022. 1192. A bull rally is ordinary in 2030, and various crypto adventures can make one more arrangement of encounters. Hedera coin worth gauge 2040. As per our Hedera coin cost figure, the Hedera coin expenses can hit another ETH level this year. By 2040, we could expect a common expense of 13,432 depending accessible example. Our most prominent expense assumption for Hedera coin is 15,561 in 2040. If the market gets bullish, the Hedera coin could flood more than our Hedera Hashgraph bar worth assumption in 2040. While the base worth level can be around 11,745, accepting the market gets negative. Hedera Hashgraph worth gauge 2050. Hedera coin has unprecedented potential, accepting you will hold it as far as might be feasible. The year 2050 can end with a regular expense of 56,587, while the base worth of Hedera coin can be around 54,131. After such a long journey close by Hedera coin, various cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most outrageous expense should trade around 58,943. If more monetary supporters are attracted to the Hedera in between these years, the expenses of Hedera coin can be much higher in 2050 than our expense figure might bar anytime at any point reach 1, as the Hedera Hashgraph coin siphoned enormously in 2021. Various crypto vendors are intrigued to know whether or not the Hedera Hashgraph token can reach 1 in 2022. As per our Hedera Hashgraph bar worth assumption, there is no sign that the Hedera Hashgraph coin can reach 1 this year. Nevertheless, in the crypto market, anything is possible, as we have found in the past. An unprecedented bull rally or bear rally can whip every one of the expense assumptions instantly with New postings on premium exchanges and neighborhood. The Hedera Hashgraph coin could hit its 1 center before our Hedera coin cost assumption. A couple of new postings on premium exchanges and token consuming in a sufficient number of totals may moreover fabricate the value of the Hedera Hashgraph coin as Hbar a savvy theory. Some crypto inspectors acknowledge that Hbar coin can be an exceptional interest for a really long time. The Hedera Hashgraph has many use cases that make the Hedera coin different in the crowd of cryptos. If you're an excessively long monetary sponsor in the Hedera Hashgraph project, it will in general be undeniably useful. The Hedera coin has the sponsorship of a couple of development beasts, and their assist makes Hedera with correlating. As per our Hedera coin cost gauge, the value of Hedera will continue to fill in the accompanying 5 years by outflanking the 5 mark close to the completion of 2025, in spite of the way that the expense might augment. Nobody at any point can truly tell when Hedera can change its expense course at whatever point as cryptos shift their expense heading reliably. It's challenging to make an accurate worth figure of the Hbar coin or some other crypto. A bet assessment is basic before any theory, as we found during our assessment of Hedera Hashgraph Hbar cost gauge. There is a higher open door that the expense of Hedera will augment in the accompanying 10 years. In any case, we by and large suggest our perusers do their suitable investigation preceding going with any endeavor decision. Hedera is indeed a phenomenal crypto asset with promising development anyway. All cryptos are comparative unsound, and their expenses perform like a roller coaster. What is Hedera Hashgraph? Hedera Hashgraph is a cryptographic cache like Monocoin, and the sandbox Hedera coin falls under dApps and DeFi projects that make the Hedera project solid today. dApps tokens are one of the main mechanized assets in the crypto market. After crypto's commonness, now the time is for dApps tokens. Does Hedera coin have a future today? Hedera coin is one of the most notable altcoins watching out. Not long after 2 or 3 significant length of ship off, Hedera coin procured the thought of the crypto neighborhood, transformed into the vitally 100 token by the market cap, as we found in Google examples and online amusement stages. Hedera coin is moving in various countries. If you're expecting to buy a dApps undertakings based token, Hedera Hashgraph can be a phenomenal choice. Is Hedera Hashgraph veritable? Hedera coin is veritable, also as other cryptos. While various crypto inspectors question the credibility of new coins, yet Hedera is somewhat an old undertaking. Hedera has the help of tech beasts that makes Hbar coin a more significant modernized asset in the domain of cryptos. After colossal neighborhood and limited representative stock, we can say that Hedera coin is authentic as Hbar coin open on can the